Today, Mom is going to teach us to make pad thai with the big knife. We've got shallots, garlic. นี่คืออะไรนี่คือหมู
หมัก
Oh, okay. We got pork there. Because I'm still one-handed, Mom is taking care of all the chopping. Apparently the key to working with shallots is just treating them like garlic. Just smash them. I love this. This is easier than what I do. Here we've got our rice noodles. Sen.
เส้นก๋วยเตี๋ยว
Sen kway teow. Sen pad thai.
อำมาลากินเยอะไหม
ไม่เยอะ
ไม่เยอะ
ไม่กินเยอะ กินนิดหน่อย ค่ะ So we've got bean sprouts. ถ้าโทนี่ฉันกินเยอะคนข้าวเที่ยงฉันกินไม่ได้ แล้วก็โทนี่กินนิดหน่อย We've got green onions. You can see how she's organized things here, which always makes cooking so much easier. So we've got oyster sauce, what appears to be 2 types of soy sauce. My guess is dark and light, but if you know better than me, please tell me. Okay, so now we've got the wok on the big flame. Maz putting it on a medium flame. Now, in my experience, I've found that pad thai in Isan tastes different from pad thai in central Thailand, and we're in Isan, so this might be a little bit different, but I still like it. I think it's delicious. Some veggie oil in the pan. So now we're gonna put in the garlic and the shallots. Song ka. Okay. Yes. You just want to get this all really fragrant. That's what I'm learning. Fragrance is the name of the game here. I believe this is palm sugar. Then we got chili powder. Now we are adding our meat, which again can be pork or chicken or really whatever you want. You can also use tofu if you want it to be vegetarian. So now we're putting in a spoonful of the palm sugar and some water. Ooh. A little bit of chili. You add more chili later on your own. I've got some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and this is dark soy sauce, yeah. The dark soy sauce is like the kind you get from Indonesia. It's a little bit sweet. A little bit of soybean paste. Mom has to taste, make sure it's right. Aroy mai?
อร่อย
And now in go our noodles. And just give that a good stir. Add water as you need. Push the noodles to the side, add a bit of oil, and crack the egg right in. And scramble it up with those noodles. Add in our bean sprouts and green onions. Serve with condiments like lime, peanuts, and chili.